Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating no spot down payment, single detached, spacious house na pwede sa Pag-ibig Financing. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Open layout, semi-finished upon turnover at included na nga ang ating tiles dito sa ground floor with room partition at high ceiling pa, kaya naman minimal na lang ang inyong kailangan ipagawa. At isa pa nga sa nagustuhan ko dito buddy ay may convenient room na sa ground floor for the elderly. Spacious ang mga rooms at nasa loob pa ng small, gated, secured community with complete amenities at hindi binabaha. Malapit sa schools, hospitals, markets, malls, worship area, commercial at government establishment. Kaya naman, everything is within reach. Located sa boundary ng General Trias at 13 Martires, Cavite. Accessible to Manila dahil one bus ride nga lang ito going to PITX. And yes buddy, no spot down payment nga ito dahil ang down payment ito ay payable for 42 months for only 38,000 monthly. TCP is 6.5 million only at ang ating estimated monthly amortization is 30,000. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!